Hello everyone. This is Dr. Chandana Galidevara, consultant gynecologist from Ankura, Madinaguda. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic for pregnant women. What to do when your waters break. This is a common occurrence which happens in 1 in 10 pregnancies. Now we expect the water bag or the membranes to break during labor. So when a woman gets contractions, when she is in labor, the water bag breaks. But in some cases, the waters may break before labor. This condition is called pre-labor rupture of membranes or premature rupture of membranes. Now what to do when this happens? Do not panic. That is the most important thing. And identify that your waters have broken. How do you recognize that the water bag has broken? The woman feels a sudden gush of water, and the water is most of the times clear, plenty, and it is colorless like urine. Most of the times the water is clear, colorless, and plenty. It stains the underwears. When this happens, you need to recognize the condition and seek immediate medical help. At times, we may not be sure whether the water bag has broken or not. In such situations, wear a cotton sanitary pad and wait for some time. If the pad is soaked, it may mean that the water has broken. Now, there is always enough time for you to reach the hospital. So, try not to move around much during this period, because the more you move around, the chances that the water to leak more remains. When the waters break, it is important not to move around much so that additional leakage can be prevented. You can also try to put a pillow under your hip until help arrives, or during travel if the leakage is more. You can also notice the color of the water. Most of the times the water is colorless, but in rare cases, if the baby has passed stools inside the uterus, the color can be yellowish or greenish. When the water is colored, it needs immediate attention because a greenish or yellowish water is a sign of distress in the baby. As long as the water is clear, you need not worry immediately. Also, try to keep a fetal count because that will help your doctor to know how active your baby is. Once you arrive at the hospital, the medical doctor will examine you. Most of the times, a vaginal examination is needed to conclude if the water is broken or not. In case it is confirmed, the cervical status is noticed. If it is soft, you can still go ahead with the normal labor as long as there is no problem with the baby. The baby is active and the heart rate is maintained well, you can still try for a normal delivery after discussing with your doctor. But in certain cases, when the baby is under distress, the heartbeat may decrease or there may be a staining of in some instances, the color of the water may be yellowish or greenish, and added to that, the heartbeat of the baby may decrease. In this condition, it means that the baby is having some distress. In such situations, a C-section may be needed if your doctor thinks that the cervix has not opened up. Thank you.